it'll fit up there. This sucks a lot, Zach. What's happening, Zach? I'm assuming. I don't know why. It's that close, and it has still that much. Just hold it up. Maybe I'll shoot sparks. What's going on, Zach?
Ooh. Look, let's show a comparison of how long.
Javi has arrived in the tow truck.
My leg full of seat. Alright, so Javi's car is now inside. We made it.
We made it.
Charged me $48.
Sabotage.
Sabotage Media, what's up?
Trying to
What it is? Ugly Media. Ugly Media.
That's what it's all about.
We think we diagnosed what my problem was. Well, they're the Honda technicians. Well, there's no flashlight.
So something in here.
The Slave Master. I'm hoping. And if so, my boy over there knows how to fix it.
The one over there. What was your face when you realized they're messed up?
And I was like, so I'm not again.
Hey, can you put some light?
All right, I got you. Gotta do everything around here. This has a stand. You just sabotage. It's not the way.
Yeah.
Dude, you're so fucking cute.
Thank you.
Just kidding. But this guy is cute. This guy is handsome. Look at that beard. Smile. Hey, give me a smile. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Hey, give me a smile.
No, why? No.
Because
hold on, I'm busy.
Give me a smile.
I'll give you a smile. Can I give you a smile?
Alright, give me a smile. Damn, you ugly.
Thank you. Hey,
give me a smile.
Hey,
give me a smile.
Fuck off.
Damn. Alright.
So we were helping the thing. What's it called? Diff. This is what we did. Ugly boys did this.
Me and Javi took this out.
Nah.
Look at this. It spins the wrong way. I'll show you how it's gonna spin after I weld it.
Huh?
So my boy Alejandro, he's gonna help me with my car. Do that.
Oh no, Donnie, you do that. Cause I'm the light boy. Hey.
Light boy, turn up.
Hey, pump. Look at this. Dude, every time, if you follow him on Instagram or Snapchat, before he posts a story, you know he's done at least 10 times before posting it. Because in his eyes, it's perfect.
Yeah, perfect, man.
So if you see him post a story on Instagram or Snapchat, he at least attempted to record it 10 times, at least. And now like, he watches it like 5 times, like, he deletes it and does it again. Get that in the video. He's probably gonna delete it. Oh no? Yeah, that was the number 11.
That was it.
That was number 11.
That's the one you liked?
Huh?
That's the one you liked?
He went pump.
It's the smart foot, clutch foot. Ooh, that's dirty.
Work already.
Who doesn't beat on their car?
Freddy got his car back, and now we're gonna meet up with Sabos, and maybe weld the diff. That's the plan.
Where we at? We're at work. Hold up, cut that. Say that again. Where we at?
Where we at?
We at where I work. We're gonna weld this diff.
It's almost 5 o'clock. We got here at 4, like they said, and they finally get here.
They're late.
I'm not fancy.
Where's your diff?
Huh?
Bring your diff.
Alright. Come on, Corn.
Are you gonna bring? Did you bring the metal that you used to weld?
It doesn't even live with people.
They argue all the fucking time. Why are you guys arguing so much, huh?
You should be recording this, but he doesn't want to. Hey, help me.
Help.
What the hell? It's hot, dude.
That guy's a...
Whose welder is it?
Shop.
But why? Why are you recording on your iPhone?
Because my camera's in the car now. I'm too lazy to get it. He's trying to play it to one side of the bit. This is really happening.
Fuck sabotage.
Here's
He's about to go snorkeling.
You can go swimming, dude. Alright, let's see. Is this the moment? No. Are you scared to hold it, Fernando?
Yeah, fuck it. Well, at least hold it too. Help me hold it.
I thought you weren't supposed to get it on that thing.
On what? Just tack it.
What's he doing?
He's etching the date on it, so we can see how long the diff lasts.
No, we're supposed to put the month and the year.
Oh yeah. Can you put 6, 7? Yeah, let's just pretend it was on the second.
He's trying to look, but he can't. Oh!
Upcoming grad.
Oh shit.
So I'm recording. He's standing there. He's standing there. So who's welding? Oh shit! I'm welding. Look at how he's beat.
Watch out if I weld your foot. Check it out.
All right, go.
Yeah, look at this bead, bro.
That is like a little worm.
Got none on Twan. Twan ain't got none on me.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's
Right,
go.
let's go.
Hey, is it done?
Hey, done.
It's done, bro.
Hey, done.
Man,
What's your impression of welding?
bro, it's fun. I like it. I'm professional now, so.
Certified as fuck. Alright, we're gonna be deleting this pedal right here. We don't need it. So we chilling. Chillin' mean.
Freddy's trying to get this clip out.
I give up. Alright guys, we got the whatever that thing is called. I can't remember if it's slave master cylinder or slave cylinder.
Clutch master.
That's what it's called. And we're gonna remove that thing right there. To put it on that one right there, the new one.
Hey, see if it fits.
We don't know what we're doing.
I told you, see? It didn't fit. It doesn't fit.
We're gonna be replacing this one too, right here. Since yesterday we couldn't see what we were doing. It's this one.
Did you put it at the top?
At the very top?
Yeah.
Oh. Here we go.
That'd be cool.
So we got the slave cylinder. Haha, we learned our names now.
Yeah.
It's in there. We got it out. The old one's somewhere around here. Trying to run away.
So, don't ever go buy shit at AutoZone because apparently they give you the wrong shit. This work.
Was that the stock one or is that the new one?
That's the stocky.
Alright, we're gonna put that one back in.
Yo.
Oye, mira.
So,
Mira.
the slave
Mira la rueda aquí.
cylinder did
No
not
me
fit.
pega aquí para allá.
We're gonna test it out, see if that was a problem.
And then the master cylinder.
The master cylinder we're putting it back in, but that wasn't the problem.
Well, it doesn't fit anyways. So
Hey.
even if you wanted to, it didn't
Ugly
even fit.
boys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but
Ugly
we put
boys.
that
Check
in.
out my 285s, bro.
Nobody wants to see those 285s.
I'm gonna rip my axles out of my.
My wiener's bigger than that.
Huh?
Yeah.
Whoa, all the girls are gonna want to hit you up now.
What's up, ladies?
Whoa.
Chill.
Hey, never mind. I got some 215s.
Shut up, you got a girlfriend now.
I don't have a girlfriend.
So you shouldn't put that in there.
We're gonna put this in there.
You shouldn't, dude.
Stop. Get out.
We're trying to put the master cylinder in. Right now we're just getting fingers in through the hole. Trying to get through that hole. Hold his hand. Hope I don't drop this nut. Hope I don't drop my nut.
You go to Lowe's.
Go to Lowe's. What are you doing huffing and puffing over there?
Hold it to the floor.
Alright guys, so right now we're bleeding the clutch. We got everything back together. Let's see if it works.
Like this. Come on. So we don't have a vacuum thing. Hold it.
Oh yeah. It sounds like my bed. Nah, I'm just kidding. No. Will I make it? Hey. Fire it up.
Didn't take one of
Damn.
The clutch feels the same. Like exactly the same. Fuck me.
Damn.
Fucking hate my life.
So what's going on?
I'm gonna go shoot myself.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So what happened was we did all the easy stuff,
The two easy things that could lead to the problem.
which I'm pretty sure we did it right.
We got
But-
two handle technicians.
And it turned out that it didn't work. And my head hurts and I just want to kill myself.
We're hungry.
I'm hungry.
So now,
Now,
at least we get a job with transmission.
now we're all thinking about what we're thinking it is. It's something in the transmission, so I don't know how to drop it.
I don't know how
They
to
probably
drop
know how to drop it, but I wouldn't.
it. I wouldn't trust them.
But luckily, I know somebody that maybe could do it for cheap, and hopefully we figure out what the problem is. Fuck you, Donnie. Pussy.
Alright, so after the shock that's it, Javi doesn't have to drop his transmission. How do you feel?
I feel like Antoine. Ah!
Hit something. Hit your head on the back.
Thing's still on.
Arguing like always.
Arguing like always.
I don't think we've ever had a video where you guys don't argue. So, as you can tell, they're putting on the tires.
Move.
Alright, so what's going on, guys? What's going on, Donnie? Tell me.
So, it's finished, and we just dropped in the car right now. I'm really excited.
We had to help because Sabotage can't finish anything.
I mean, it is what it is.
I'm putting that in there. Yeah. Donnie, calm down.
I'm gonna drop it.
Watch out, Donnie, you gonna die.
Just wanted to-
Oh, shit.
That was pretty quick.
So Donnie just got, well, everything's pretty much ready. Donnie's gonna go take a shower. He's gonna take a shower.
He's gonna take.
Fernando's gonna take a shower. I'm probably not gonna take a shower because I'm not at home, but maybe.
And then we're each gonna drive the S14.
Yeah, we're all gonna take turns driving the welded diff. And then we're all gonna meet up Applebee's, get ribs, ribby ribs. So we just ate Applebee's. We didn't record much in there because we were trying to upload a video and that took forever. But we decided to come check out the wheels. The guy was, he said just come stop by over here and check him out where he was parked. And this is where we're at right now. What do you think about him, Freddy?
This one looks alright. Well, we gotta see this right.
All right, well, let's go look at them. You know, I think they suit my car. And I like them. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna trade if he's down. Fuck it, I guess I'm gonna meet him tomorrow. And that's pretty much it for today.
We out.
This car back.
Shout out to
You said that.
WKD.
What, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Alright, so it's day 2. It's day 2. No, it's like day 4. Anyways, it's Sunday. And the guy actually replied about the wheels. And I somehow managed to fit all 4 of them in my little brother's car. Which is my old car, which I gave to my little brother. Shout out to Armito. But right now we're on our way to meet the guy, which he doesn't have a jack, anything to take his stuff off, so I had to bring all that shit. And we're gonna meet up with that guy and see what he says. Hopefully it's a yeah, but we'll see what happens.